Hey Gemini, this is my channel Dream Tarot and welcome to my channel. And this time I'm doing reading for yes and no answer and question. Whatever universe is giving you want to give you answer, I will, I will try to they will deliver this answer to you. So what whatever answer you are trying for regarding your love life, regarding your career, and overall general in your life, regarding your family and whatever it is. So I will try to get answer from universe. Let me shuffle card first. So please universe give me the answer for the sign of Gemini for month of August, whatever they are trying to find out in the month of August. Please universe try let me know what are the answers for the question of sign of Gemini in the month of August. Please universe let me know the answers of the question from the for the sign of Gemini in the month of August. Please universe let me know what are the answers. So judgment, and underneath the deck you have 8 of swords. So universe is asking you to resurrect again from the ashes, as they are saying that you need to come up again. Whatever things making you down in life, you have to raise again, and to make yourself happy, and make yourself lively again. So universe asks you to do effort and try again. Whatever you have left in your life, whatever was gone from your life, universe asks you to do effort to get this again, or resurrect from the whatever downfall were going in your life. You are asking to come up again. And if you are looking for the answer that will you get the chance again, so universe is telling you that you have to you will have this chance in your life. So you have to work hard to get this chance, and don't stuck in your negative thoughts, and be clear in your be clear in your emotions. Whatever you are trying to do, be clear in your emotion, and feel it with your heart to do it. And don't stuck in your thoughts. Don't look what is negative, and you are stuck in your thoughts. So universe is asking you, maybe you are stuck in somewhere or in your thought. So universe is asking you to go away, or maybe the universe is asking you to move forward and take it what is coming to you. Maybe this is the second chance in your life, maybe in your love life, maybe in your career. So it is the yes answer. You will get whatever you are trying to look in your life. So hope this reading or this answer resonates you, or maybe you get your questions answered. So let me inform in a comment below, and like my video, share it, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.